Malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Kati ang ilong. Sunod, punta tayo sa counter.
号，请到10号柜台办理，谢谢。Number 82, please proceed to counter 10.
Lapit na tayo.
83号，请到2号柜台办理，谢谢。Number 83, please proceed to counter 2. Thank you.
Ay,
84
tayo na.
号，请到3号柜台办理，谢谢。Number 84, please proceed to counter 3. Thank you.
休假回来值班都很痛苦。
My ARC.
Your passport.
Pick up my ARC. I sent it here. I just have my student ID card.
So you apply already, right?
Yeah, it's all processed. They just said to come here and pick
So
it
you
up.
have the email?
Not the email, but they said to come here on the 23rd.
I don't have.
You have to bring the original.
Yeah, but it's on my
This
phone.
one is my boss.
Your boss to give you the original.
Okay.
And not this form. You
Oh,
have
no,
to
they
take
have it
form
there?
number 4.
Will they have
Number
my,
4?
Sorry.
Yes, not this one.
Will they have my
Because in the information they gave me this one.
Not this one.
Your passport?
Oh my
Yeah.
god. It's wrong.
Yeah, I think they have my passport too.
So you don't have your passport now?
Number 4.
I think they had my passport and
So you need the
process my
original of
ARC.
this one?
I need to check the original. And I will return to you, but I need to check.
Oh, okay.
This one is the original one.
This one is the photocopy.
Oh, so I got the visa here.
And this one, the issue date.
You don't apply visa.
Ask your boss
Yeah,
to keep
I
the
mean,
issue date.
So I'm picking up the ARC here.
It's a wrong.
Now?
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
come
yeah.
here before 30.
Information counter.
Okay.
So I will come back. This one is not.
And then
I will come back.
they'll have a
I will
card.
get the original
Yeah.
and this one the
Issue date.
date.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
And write the correct one.
This one, ma'am, is not the original.
No.
Oh my
号，请
god.
到3号柜台办理，谢谢。Number 85, please proceed to counter 3. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this is wrong. My boss gave me the wrong. So I need to
请到2号柜台办理，谢谢。
I need to go back again here. My gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. So this one is not. I will come back again. Sir, I need to go back. Oh no. This is wrong. So I need to go and get another one. They said to me it's number 4. I need the number 4. Yeah. And can I get this one? Thank you. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Oh. Kumuha na ako dito. to go back. Oh, this one is wrong. Oh my gosh. Need to go. Clean. Uwi na tayo kasi balik na lang tayo bukas. Ay, kailangan ko palang yung maing. Ay, dyan na lang yung maing. Halos magkaparehas kami sa bag ko. So, I need to put it back this one. My bag. So, I need to go home and ask my employer. Oh my gosh. Original. They need original. Oh, they need original, not photocopy. So I need to go. I need to go home. Ay, my umbrella. Ay, forget my umbrella. Oh my damn. Ano ba yan? Mystic. Bakit kasi iba yung binigay ni Madam? Ano ba yan? Ay, ano ba yan? So, we will go back. We'll go back here. Ayan. National Immigration. Oh my God. Ay. Pero paano kaya yan? Ba yan? Babalik ulit ako. Kasi iba naman yung binigay. Ay. Mahangin sa labas, oh. Mahangin sa labas. So, kailangan natin umuwi. Babalik tayo ulit dito. Balik tayo bukas. Oh my gosh, waste of time. Sakit pa naman ng ulo ko. Waste of time. Naghintay ka doon, nakipila ka doon, tapos sasabihin mali information. Ano ba yan? Bakit kasi mali naman yung binigay ni Ma'am? Ay, babalik ako tuloy. Tapos yung information, mali pa yung binigay na form. My gosh. It's wrong. Ano bang date ngayon? 23? My gosh. So, wala nga. First time pa lang. MRT is wala na akong wala na akong easy card, hindi na ako makapasok. Tapos kailangan mong bumili ng easy card para makapasok ka sa MRT. Tapos dito nakipila ka. Wrong requirements pala yung nasa akin. My gosh. Kailangan daw kailangan daw ng date of issue and original copy, not photocopy. Bakit kasi naman hindi binigay yung original copy ni madam? May gastos. Kailangan yung original copy eh. Ayan, ang pupuntahan ko, Xiaonamen Station. Ayan. Xiaonamen Station. Tandaanan mo yan, Ana. Xiaonamen Station, exit 2. Exit 2, not exit 1. Not exit 3, but exit 2. Oh. Ayan. Ay! Pero pupunta pa tayo doon sa Chungsan. Kung bibili tayo ng bibiliin ko doon. Wala naman yata eh. Uwi na lang kaya ako. Uwi na lang siguro ako. Tapos pupunta ako doon Kinadora. Bakit kasi mali ano pa yan? Oh my G! Itong umbrella ko kailangan ko nang ilagay sa bag ko. Ang umbrella kailangan ilagay sa bag. Ano ba yan talaga? Nakakainis.